Hey Angels, we're gonna find some baby stuff in the parent room. So in this video, you will comment and subscribe and hit the vacation bell. So let's get started in the video. First, we're gonna get a photo of the baby. Okay. So right now, we're gonna get some milk or something. Yes, the milk gonna have because that's gonna take forever. But okay, I still have it in mortar. Okay, this is the 04 with a foot. Okay, let's look some more. Okay, we're gonna have some diapers over here or a thermometer something for the baby because if you hear crying she will get milk or something. Okay, so guys, like this video, share and comment red emoji heart. Okay, we're gonna to get a second floor for the new items I haven't got. Oh, wait a minute, where's the thermometer? There it is. Let's go back to the gift shop to get some more expensive items of the aesthetic beautiful house. Okay guys, we are on to the gift shop to get more aesthetic items because that Cinnamoro looks so cute and fluffy and I like it so much. Let's look some real items. There she is. It's a Ponokodaden. Okay. Let's go. Let's get some wallet. Okay. Don't forget the plushie, the hamster of the new event of the bakery. The hamster time. I got that plushie for that bag over here. Let's look some bag. I found it. Okay, doesn't fit in my bag. My box. Okay, let's go back to the house. Since I have chat on the Roblox, and I want to use it for every time for I want to chat or talk. Okay, let me put the house over here. Okay, Tamagotchi over here. The bag, the plushie of Cinnamoro. I have more items. I like it so much. Oh, I forgot this note. It's okay. And I forgot the flower pot. It's okay. I'm just gonna go use it. Okay. But where is the key over here? I don't know. Oh, it's from the Rita's hand. Yes. Okay. I forgot the flower. I forgot the flower statue and the note. Okay, we're gonna get some flower pot of the event. Yes. This note of for the new biggest family house. This note. And we need one more item to succeed. Oh, makeup! I totally forgot the makeup. Or skincare. This is the makeup I haven't seen. But where is it? Dump. Oh, here it is. I totally forgot. I'm so dumb. Okay, let's go back to the house. Oh my god, I forgot the ice cream cone over here, the hand, and I forgot the mini tree of the new updated of Excel event. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let me take this note off. The makeup. Makeup, I have eyelashes over these lipsticks, blush, and some cookies and quirks. And for the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna do to succeed my bedroom. I'm gonna make up the tree of evidence. The tree of they are going to create that for the 2021. Okay, so we're gonna build that tree to our house because we need that chair to sit over it. Okay, let's go back to the gift shop to get some mini tree of the 2021 The Star Hotel. Okay, so I forgot the ice cream on the hat because I love it so much since I was little. Diapers? One. 2 diapers. Oopsie. Oops. Okay, the back. Okay, we gonna get some ice cream hut for the new house. This is the boxeo event I ever seen. So we need to get some ice cream. For the any of that. Oopsie, I tapped the gift shop. So we're gonna get to the creator of the Doka characters or something. Yes. Let's go to the character upgrade. So we need that hat. Ice cream hat. Oh, yes. Yes, I finally got a hat. Let's go back to the house. Okay. I succeed. I finally got the house with Messi.